Airmail is what we used in the good old days before those spam emails about hot chicks in your area, sales seminars promising you millions, gaining 10 inches and getting ripped in a month's time. But if you ask your parents, they'll still insist they use carrier pigeons and telegrams back in their day, or hiked 1,000 miles barefooted to the next city. It's time for what I regard as a superb brunch cocktail, which you should have in your rotation. It's up there with the French 75s of the world in my opinion, and is not so well known. The ingredient lineup. Starting off with a Spanish style rum, I've gone for Havana Club 3 Year, honey syrup, fresh lime juice, and a champagne or a sparkling wine of your choice. Let's kick this off by adding 1 ounce of 30 ml of rum to our shaker. Then add half an ounce, that's 15 ml of honey syrup. Add this up with half an ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and give this a shake for 10 seconds. History-wise, in the 1930s, Airmail services had spread to Cuba, and the Bacardi company published this cocktail in their advertising brochure. Add ice if you're using the Collins glass. Now, there are 2 schools of thought regarding the glassware for this cocktail. Some people like to use a coupe glass, which I think is perfect for a brunch setting, especially if you're churning out lots of drinks and you might be low on ice, but I'm greedy and clumsy, so I prefer to use a Collins glass. Strain the contents of the tin into the glass. Then you want to top this off with 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of champagne or a sparkling wine of your choice. I was greedy here and bumped it up to 2 ounces. Give this a light stir to get the ingredients and the shaker acquainted with the champagne. I'm going to garnish this with a mint sprig and an old-fashioned Cuban stamp, which I think serves as a really cool prop with this drink. The taste test. This is a great drink. You get the dryness from the champagne, a faint sourness from the lime, and then there's the sweetness from the rum and the honey syrup. If you love a French 75, this is one for you. It's also a winner for brunches, celebration drinks, or a stylish drink just to have when you're watching the world go by.